Hey guys, hope you're having a good Ramadan. Assalamu alaikum to everyone here. So today we're going to be making some Moroccan lamb kebabs. And these are a really versatile dish. You can make a bunch of them and have them to break iftar, especially if you're having lots of guests around. These are an absolute treat. Everyone loves them. All right guys, we've got a lot of different types of ingredients here, which is going to make it a really interesting flavor. We're going to start with some chopped up red onions, some harissa. Now this, it's a Moroccan chili, Moroccan spice paste, which is really delicious. You can have it even as a dip sometimes, but I'm going to be putting this in the lamb to make it have some really powerful punch to it. Obviously, got to have salt. Friend pepper over here. Paprika to give it a little smoky flavor. Now, this is a little addition of mine, cinnamon. Of course, got to have a bit of garlic and cumin. Gives it a bit of a punch. And you don't have to do this. I'm also putting a little bit of smoked chilies in there as well. And obviously we've got the pepper and the parsley. All right, so we've got the Parmesan cheese here. This is the last ingredient. That's my special ingredient. So all of these lovely ingredients are going to be going into our 500 grams of lamb mince. All right, guys, so get a big mixing bowl. And first things first, just pop your mince, whatever it is, in there. And you just want to break it up a little bit. And once you've kind of broken it down so it really is minced up, we can start putting in our spices. Now we're going to start with the basics. We're going to put in a teaspoon of salt. We're going to put in a teaspoon of pepper. Next we'll put some paprika in. Once again, just a teaspoon. Now cinnamon we're going to put 2 teaspoons, just so it really does get that flavor in. Now we're going to put all the garlic in. Now this is about 4 or 3 small cloves chopped up. Going to get 1 teaspoon of cumin in. Just really half a teaspoon of chili flakes because we do already have the harissa, so we don't want it to be too spicy. All right, so we want to put 2 tablespoons of our harissa in here. I would put 3 teaspoons of Parmesan cheese, and that's going to really bind it together as well. Last but not least, our red onions and our parsley. Just want to mix that up all together so it all becomes one. Yeah, I think I'm going to get in with my hands. It's going to be a lot easier just to kind of, after you kind of mixed it together, you really do just want to get in with your hands and just squidge it all up until it becomes almost like a dough. Now we are ready to make our kebabs. All right guys, so we've got our meat all ready and all packed up. So we're just gonna basically take this. First of all, we're just gonna get a little bit of flour, dust it on our surface, and just grab a little bit each time and roll it into a kebab. Now, you can make them really long if you want to, but I probably prefer to make them a little bit smaller. So around that kind of size. And what we're going to do is going to dip it in the oil so it's fully coated and put it on our plate ready to cook in a minute. All right guys, so we're just going to cook these now for about 1 to 2 minutes on either side, depending on how you like them. Personally, I prefer to have them a little bit more rare, kind of get more of the flavor there. But if you want to have it well done, as I know most of you probably do, probably 2 to 3 minutes on each side is best. So we can pretty much just put these in there, hear it sizzling, and cook these all through. And just make sure there's a nice bit of space in between them all so they've got space to cook. All right guys, as simple as that. Literally a couple of minutes and they are ready. Friends, I must say these are looking absolutely delicious. Looking forward to tucking into these. I can see all the crew is looking pretty hungry as well. But they are not going to be getting any of this. This is all for me. And there you have it, friends. A lovely plate of Moroccan style lamb kebabs. Enjoyable for all the family, any time of the day.
Come iftar with me. World Flavors brought to you by Halal Booking. Halal friendly holidays worldwide.